All right, so today's video for Casa de Malouff is actually going to start here at this house. Day number 46. I forgot the guy's name for the Cowboys back in the 70s. Anyways, I'll remember later when I get back to the other house. So today's going to be cleaning up the garage a little bit, hopefully getting these things out of here, get the motorcycle out spot, and take that thing down. So that's what I'm going to be working on this morning before I head over to the house, the real Casa de Malouff. So let's get working. All right, so thanks for watching and enjoy this. Alright, it took a lot longer than expected to tear that thing down. I took it down, took everything out. So I cut the video off early. But anyways, now I'm heading over to Casa de Malouff, day 46, and check out what they're doing over there. They should have a whole crew going on right now. So we'll go check them out. Okay, let's go. Alright, we're officially here at Casa de Malouff, day 46, aka Mark Washington of the Dallas Cowboys, 1970s. All right, we got Lewis coming, putting in the doors and the baseboards. All by yourself?
Yeah.
Where's everybody?
I don't know. They get happy Monday.
I guess they got drunk yesterday. Take the day off.
No, it's only money.
Then I guess they're rich, huh?
Yeah.
They go up to the casino.
Me and you, the only 4 people here.
Yeah. I tore apart my garage over at the other house. I brought the rack.
Okay.
But I got to go to Home Depot buy new bolts. Okay, so he's putting in the baseboards and the doors. He'll be doing that all day. So we got the doors out back. So he's already framed up the doors. So he's just got to put them in. Then I got to paint. They can take the doors off. They're going to paint them out here. So tile guys are supposed to be here. I don't know whatever happened to them, but we'll figure it out. So that's going to be it. I'll come back later. I got a lot of shopping and other things to do, so we shall go from there. That is going to be dealt next week when I'm not here. So we're moving on. So not much else to tell you about today. This is it. And we'll see what he gets done later this afternoon. All right, thanks for watching. And wait for last video number 3. Bye. Okay, second round, probably final round for the day of day 46 here at Casa de Malouff. The cabinets are in, or parts of them in. These have to be built, so we'll see how it looks at the end of the day. We'll see. So they have to be put together. Look, made in Vietnam. Hopefully they're good. So I got the rack down at the other garage. I put it right here, so it's going to go up over here somewhere. I don't know when I'm going to do it, but I'll probably figure it out. Baseboards being put in. Yeah, the door frame. This is just a frame. There's no thing. So I got to get my shelves and figure out where I want to put these here and outline them. So that's going there. Let's see. Did we put a toilet in here? We put in one toilet. Hey, look at that. Put in one toilet. We're making progress. Making progress. All we got to do is caulk it off. So all this will be caulked and sealed and then painted. So the baseboards are being done. So this is going to be a bright white paint. So get it all around the living room. Yeah. Did the bedroom. Almost done with the bedroom. Working our way around. All right, making it happen. That toilet may get put in later today. We'll see what they do. There's only 2 guys working. Oh, there we go. Let's see this bedroom. Yep, just missing the piece right there. That's it. Yeah, almost done. Almost done with the trim, the baseboards. All right, so they're painting the doors out back right now. He's painting the doors. So, little by little, it's going to come together. Okay, that's it, day 46. We'll call it a close for today. And we'll see what tomorrow brings. They'll probably end up doing this later during the week or next week or something. They want to finish spray painting the doors and installing the doors. And then we're going to move forward. Then they'll be working on next week. They're going to finish all this stuff out. I think the guys for the porch roof are coming later this week. And like I said, about 2 more weeks, everything is going to be done. So we'll see. All right. Thanks for watching. And like, subscribe, share, enjoy, make comments, whatever you like to do. Thank you for watching.